Hello everyone, I hope everyone is having a good week. In today's video, I would like to go over VLAN setup. Using a UniFi UDM-Pro, we are going to build an isolated VLAN suitable for surveillance cameras. Then we will re-IP a test camera to the appropriate VLAN subnet, assign the camera switch port appropriately, as well as create a security policy to allow traffic to communicate between our NVR living on VLAN 1 and our camera living on our new VLAN number 2. In this demo scenario, my PC is our hypothetical NVR server and VLAN 2 is our restricted non-compliant VLAN network where at-risk devices which fail to comply to the organization's security posture live. First, let's set up our new VLAN. Navigate to our settings, navigate to the Networks tab, create new. We will name our new VLAN VLAN number 2 secure non-comply. We will isolate this network because we do not want any of these cameras or devices to talk to other devices living on other VLANs in our organization. Disable allow internet access since we are trying to achieve maximum isolation. Disable DHCP server since the best practice for IP cameras is to issue a static IP address. Then select Create. Now that we have our VLAN created, we will re-IP our test camera from our PC currently living on VLAN 1. Log into your camera using admin credentials, navigate to your network setting tab, and assign your camera to the appropriate IP range for your new VLAN. At this time, our camera will no longer be reachable on VLAN 1 network unless we re-IP our PC NVR. Now that our camera is rebooting with the correct settings, let's reassign the switch port from our switch in which the camera is plugged into to the correct new VLAN we just created. Navigate to your switch, open Port Manager, select the port your camera is connected to, in our case port 24, switch your port profile to your new VLAN, and commit and save your changes. At this time, our NVR/PC lives on VLAN 1 while our camera lives isolated on VLAN 2 with no internet. However, we do want our NVR PC to pick up a stream and be useful while still living on VLAN 1. At this time, the camera is unreachable from VLAN 1. So let's create a firewall security policy restricted to allow traffic from our restricted VLAN to our NVR PC. Navigate to Settings, bring up your policy table, and select Create a new policy. In our source zone, we will be coming from our new restricted VLAN network. We will set action to allow. For our destination zone, we will restrict to a single IP and we are going to use our NVR PC static IP address. We will restrict IP version to IPv4. Then we will restrict protocol to TCP UDP only, prohibiting the use of any other protocol for this traffic. Then we leave everything else intact and apply policy. Now let's test. Ping test from our NVR PC to the camera should fail because our security policy is restricted to allow TCP, UDP, and does not allow ICMP traffic. If you want to enable ICMP for pinging the camera, you will need to create a separate firewall rule with the same parameter configuration, allowing ICMP traffic instead of TCP UDP. Allowing all protocols within our current rule is not advisable since it will allow ping but will also loosen our firewall policy security posture. Bringing up a web browser, you can see we are successfully able to reach our camera via the GUI and log onto it. And that is it. We are successful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a blessed day. Thank you.